away from the chaos of the city, at the foothills of undulating green of Karjat, is a serene space inhabited by nature. Welcome to Kalpataru Aria. Imagine waking up to the sound of bird songs, spending your days surrounded by nature, and evenings basking in the golden hues of the sunset. Embrace the beauty of nature's canvas. Celebrate moments of togetherness and tranquility, where screens become meaningless and nature's beauty astounds. Surround yourself with nature's beauty and its bounty while you play, laugh, and flourish. Indulge in adventure and challenge your fitness levels one stone at a time. A place where nothing is enough, yet everything is fulfilling, where you feel everything is achieved, and yet every moment is a new beginning. With the magnificent Sahadris at display, every moment is an invitation to relax. Come, experience the perfect way to nurture your bond with nature. A place where every sunrise brings new beginnings, where memories are made and traditions are born, where the horizon knows no limits. Kalpataru Aria, bound by nothing.